Welcome to Tamford Language School. Today we are going to talk about task 1, which is a kind of pie charts. The charts below show the percentage of volunteers by organizations in 2008 and 2014. Just look at the pictures which are given for different years 2008 and 2014. We can see there are 6 categories of organizations have been given here. So by looking on them we can see that educational sector had the highest number of volunteers in 2008, while in 2014 the situation is changed to environmental. At that time nearly 29% volunteers used to work in environmental sector. However, the percentage of volunteers in healthcare sector remained always lowest. First of all, we will discuss how to write percentage data in fractions. If 10% is given, so we can write it 1 in 10, for 20% a fifth, 25% a quarter, 50% half or just half, 75% 3/4, 80% 4/5, 32% almost a third or nearly a third, 49% just under a half, 77% approximately 3/4 or over 3/4, 3% an insignificant minority, 15% a small minority, 70% a significant majority, or 71% a large proportion. So these kinds of fractions we can add in our writing task in order to represent the data in more particular way, which enhances our band score. Now we shall look on the words and phrases for making approximation. So let's begin with approximately, nearly, roughly, almost, about, around, more or less, just over, just under, just around, just about, just below, a little more than, and a little less than. Now take a look on the verbs which we can use in the pie charts. So in past, accounted for, or in present, accounts for, comprised, comprises, made up, makes up, took up, takes up, consumed, and consumes. Now take a look of the solution of the pie chart. Let's begin with introduction, which we can make by adding paraphrasing of the question. We don't need to make the exact paraphrasing of the question, just change a little words. The pie charts illustrate the proportions of people volunteering in various kinds of organizations in 2008 and 2014. At the overall, देखो ओवरऑल के अंदर बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम रहता है कि इसको कैसे लिखा जाए. ओवरऑल के अंदर हमें हर एक पार्ट को नहीं बताना होता, जस्ट हमें मेजर फैक्टर्स को ही शो करना होता है जो ज़्यादा हाईएस्ट होते हैं या ज़्यादा लोएस्ट होते हैं. तो देखते हैं. इट इज़ क्लियर दैट वाइल वॉलंटरी participation in environmental, sport and healthcare organizations increased. In contrast, the contribution in other types of organizations went down. Additionally, the percentages of healthcare volunteers remained the lowest during the 2 years. Now look at the body paragraphs. In the exam or in real writing, you don't need to write headings. In 2008, volunteering in educational organizations was the most common choice, accounting for nearly a quarter of all volunteers, while 21% and 18% of volunteers took part in environmental and art projects, respectively. Next, 15% of volunteers worked in sports organizations and another 15% in other organizations, while only 7% volunteered in healthcare. Now we shall look at the body para second. In 2014, significantly more volunteers worked in environmental and sport organizations compared with the other fields at 29% and 25% respectively. Meanwhile, the figures for art and other volunteers both fell by 6%. There was also a slight fall in volunteers in educational organizations at 17%, while volunteering in healthcare was still the least preferred option at only 8%. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram.